Hi guys, this is Revving coming to you live and direct. Today we're going to look at our Hyundai machine. So this machine is going to start for the first time. Now before you start the machine, you have got to understand a few things. Now we have got a lubricating oil, and this one here is the gasoline or the petrol. Now the lubricating oil, this is a Stihl lubricating oil, but we can still use it for the Hyundai. The only thing is that on the Stihl it says 1 to 50, but the Hyundai it's 1 to 40. So what that means, it means that for every 1 mil of this, you do 40 mil of the gasoline or the petrol. So this is 500 mil, so you use about, let's say, 10 mil. So 10 mil of the lubricating oil and 500 mil of gasoline. Now we're gonna start the Hyundai. So before I start, what you have to do, there's a little pump under here, if you can see. So you have to press this pump as many times as possible so that the oil can prime the line. So you press the oil, press the pump, and now we're gonna start it. Just before you start, I need to say that this is a stop and on button. So you need to make sure it's on the on position that way before you start, and you make sure the choke is up, and let's just give it a start. Connected the other piece here, and if you want to switch it off, this is a switch, so that's off. All right, let us just give a go with this one. Now this one is a brand new one as well. This is a Stihl, and I'm just gonna start the Stihl. I've already pumped the Stihl here, primed the line, and I'm gonna put it into the cold start, which is here, this one. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna compare the Stihl with the Hyundai. So the Stihl machine, we're gonna see which one makes more noise, or which one sounds as though it's going faster. So let's start the Stihl. So this one is the button to weed or to rev the machine. So you have to press this first, and this switch is the switch off. So guys, that was the end of the video. So what I can conclude now, we've got the Hyundai and we've got the Stihl. Now looking at these two machines, this one is 50 cc and this one is 27 point something cc. Now I would say the weight, the Stihl is lighter, the Stihl feels firmer, and also the Stihl doesn't have wires like the Hyundai here. The Hyundai, this one, it's got wires sticking out here, whereas the Stihl, everything is compact and neat. But I would say if I were to buy one of these for my relative or anything, I would go with the Stihl, but it still is more expensive as well. It's easier to start against the Hyundai. Please like and subscribe.